Good morning, students. I hope all of you are fine and safe. We have started chapter number 5, Factors and Multiples. And the topic we are doing is factors. I hope all of you must have understood how to find factors. Now, today's topic is properties of factors. Right? When you are finding the factors, you have learned that 1 is the factor of every number. In one table, every number comes. So, 1 is the factor of every number. So, first property is 1 is the factor of every number. Every number. For example, if we take 18, 1 18s are 18 only, right? If we take 25, 1 5s are 25. So, in one table, every number comes. So, 1 is the factor of every number. 1 is the factor of every number. Clear? Second property. Every number is the factor of itself. It means every number comes in itself. If we find 25, 25 comes in 25 table. How many times? One time. So, every number is the factor of itself. Second property. Every number is the factor of itself. For example, if we take 21, right? 21. What are the factors of 21? Factors of 21 are 1, it comes in one table. It doesn't comes in 2, it comes in 3. It doesn't comes in 4, 5, 6, but it comes in 7, right? And it comes in 21. So we are seeing that every number is the factor of itself. 21 and the factor of 21 is 21. So every number is a factor of itself, right? Third property. Property number 3. The biggest factor of a number is the number itself. For example, if we write the factors of 6, 6 comes in which table? It comes in 1, it comes in 2, it comes in 3, it doesn't comes in 4, so we'll not write. It doesn't comes in 5, so we'll not write. It comes in 6. So, what is the biggest factor of 6? 6 is the biggest factor. So, this is the biggest factor. The number itself is the biggest factor. Next, D. Fourth property. 1 is the smallest factor of every number. 1 is the smallest factor of every number. Because in one table every number comes. So 1 is the smallest factor. For example, if we write 9, right? What are the factors of 9? 1, 3 and 9, right? So what is the smallest factor? 1 is the smallest factor. Clear? Next, fifth property. property of a factor of a number can be less or equal to that number. A factor of a number, a factor of a number is either less or equal to it, or equal, either less or equal to the number. For example, if we take example of 25, we take the example of 25. What are the factors of 25? It comes in one table, it doesn't comes in 2, it doesn't comes in 3, it doesn't comes in 4, but it comes in 5 table, right? It doesn't comes in 6, 7, 8, and it comes in 25 only. So what are the factors of 25? 1, 5 and 25. 1 is the smallest factor and 25 is the biggest factor. Then you are seeing that the numbers are less than 25, but they are not more than 25. It is equal to 25 or it will be less than. But 0 will not be the factor of any number. 0 is not the factor of any number. Next, F. F point. Every number except 1 has at least 2 factors. Every number except 1 has at least 2 factors. कोई भी नंबर के एटलीस्ट 2 फैक्टर्स तो होंगे. But only 1 is that number which have only 1 factor. Every number have at least 2 factor. उससे ज़्यादा हो सकते हैं पर 2 तो होंगे ही होंगे. For example, if we take 3, number 3 comes in 1 and 3. So 3 have at least 2 factors. It will have at least 2 factors. But there can be more factors if we write number 5. It also have only 2 factors. It comes in 1 and 5 table, no other table. So any number will have at least 2 factors. 2 तो होंगे, उससे ज़्यादा हो सकते हैं, पर at least 2 factors तो होंगे because it comes in 1 and itself, right? Next, G. One is the only number. One is the only number. Sorry. One is the only number which have one factor. Means 1 comes in one table, no other table it comes only in 1. So it has only one factor. Example, if we write 1 comes in 1 ones only. So it has only one factor, right? H. Factors are limited. Factors are limited. Factors are limited. For example, If we take number 18, what are the factors of 18? It comes in 1, it comes in 2, it comes in 3 table, it doesn't comes in 4, it doesn't comes in 5, it comes in 6 table, it doesn't come in 7, it doesn't comes in 8, it comes in 9 table, then it comes in 18 table. That means it comes 1 18s, 2 9s and 3 6s. So there are limited. They are not unlimited. Factors are limited. Right? So I hope you must have understood the properties of factors. Thank you and have a nice day.